Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison between Empower Budgeting versus Monarch Money. And let's tell you what is better or which one is better from them. Both of these platforms are going to be top tier personal finance apps, but they cater to slightly different audiences. So we are going to break down in this video or tutorial how they are going to differ and also which is going to be better in the budgeting field and also the finance field. Let's start by the comparing the features or the objective of each one of the platforms. So we're going to start with the budgeting features. We're going to start with the Empower. So it is going to be a very basic budgeting tool. You can set up a monthly spending limit and see spending by category. We have no real envelope style budgeting, rollovers, or goal settings. It is going to be focused more on tracking, not planning. For Monarchy Money, it is going to be a true zero-based budgeting with a full customization. It is going to help you create categories, set a variable or fixed budget, track rollovers, and set financial goals. Also, it is going to have shared budgets for couples and families. And this is going to be something that we need or maybe you need in general. So we are going to have here talking about the net worth and also the investment tracking. We are going to start by Empower. It is going to be best in class net worth and investment tracking. It is going to have detailed analysis, retirement planning tools, and portfolio allocation with also a fee analyzer. And it is going to be strong if you have investment accounts and want retirement insights. For Monarch Money, it is going to be a good net worth tracking with a decent investment summaries, but nowhere near Empower depth. So here in this point for the net worth and investment tracking, we're going to give it to Empower. So it is going to be the best for investing in long-term planning. Now for the syncing and bank connection, both are going to use Plaid or Yodlee. Bank syncing is generally good but may vary by institutions. So for Monarch, it tends to fix issues faster with support, while Empower prioritizes the investment accounts. So here it is going to be a matter of preferences if you're going to choose one of them based on the syncing and the bank connections, but both of them are going to be great. Now let's talk about the collaboration and shared accounts. For Empower, it is going to have a no sharing account or multi-user access, but on a Monarch Money, it is going to be built for collaborations. Share your household budget with a spouse, a partner, your family with a custom permission. So it is going to be a very good point for Monarch Money. Now for design and usability, let's start with the Empower. It is going to have a clean interface, but more focused on investments and net worth. For Monarch, it is going to be clean, also modern and intuitive. It feels more personal finance focused platform. As you can see, we are going to have a wonderful and colorful dashboard compared to this one, which is going to have a standard one with some basic animations. And as you can see, I am going to give it, in my honest opinion, to Monarch. Now let's talk about the pricing of each one of the platforms. So basically for Empower, it is going to be free, but they push wealth management services. So if you're going to need an advisor services, or you're going to be pushed indirectly to have a expertise, let's say paid if you're going to need some more features. And for Monarch, it is going to be a yearly plan of $8.33 per month or a monthly plan of $15. So it is going to be for you to choose. I tend to have Monarch as a friendly budgeting platform more than Empower. So here we are going to have our conclusion. If you're going to choose Monarch Money, then you're going to be serious about budgeting, want a shared household tools, and want to actively manage goals, cash flows, and spending. If you're going to choose Empower, that means that you want free investment tracking, net worth snapshots, and light budgeting without customization or customizing too much within the platform. So the simplest one is going to be Empower, the more customized one, also the automated one, and more appealing is going to be Money Monarch. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.